Hi Pisces, this is Pisces Hub. Welcome to my channel. So for today's video, gagawa tayo ng daily reading for Pisces para sa araw na ito. Okay, gamit ang ating tarot cards, alamin natin kung ano yung mga posibleng mangyari for Pisces sa araw na ito. Gabay, mensahe ng ating cards for Pisces para sa araw na ito. Okay? Reminder lang po na ito ay general reading Pisces, so pwede pong mag-resonate sa'yo, pwede pong hindi, okay? Pag hindi po tugma sa sitwasyon niyo po, huwag pong ipilit, okay? And this is a timeless reading, so ang ating daily reading ay always pong timeless, so kahit anong araw, buwan, taon, oras mo ito napanood, basta magtugma po sa'yo, mag-resonate sa'yo, take lang, okay? And welcome po ang lahat ng gender, babae, lalaki, LGBT, ay pwede po sa feminine, or masculine po, okay? So, ano po yung mga posibleng mangyari for Pisces sa araw na ito? Saglit. Mga gabay, mensahe para kay Pisces sa araw na ito. So, meron tayo ditong Two of Swords. So, pwedeng you're in a situation right now na pwedeng meron kang blinak, meron kang someone na binigyan ng limitation, boundaries, pwede ding silent treatment, okay? Kumbaga, meron kang taong or you're in a situation na parang hindi mo hinahayaang naririnig ko yung word na silent treatment, okay? So, pwedeng you're in a situation right now na meron kang taong hindi kinakausap, okay? Or you're not communicating with, okay? Or kung hindi naman, pwedeng sitwasyon na para bang hindi mo, ayaw mong ganun, okay? Kumbaga, you're having a limitation to that situation mismo, okay? Or kung tao naman to, yun nga sinabi ko kanina, parang no contact, no communication, okay? So, ano po ito? And there's a King of Swords. It's either that's your energy, Pisces, or you're dealing with someone na energy. Ano yung gagawin ni King of Swords? Okay, so hindi natin yun kukunin kasi hindi naman siya totally nag-flip. Ayun, so, there is a Page of Pentacles. There is someone na parang magme-make siya ng move or there is someone na magbe-break ng no contact. Okay, kumbaga siya yung mauuna or parang nakapag-decide na siya na magbigay ng offer. Although hindi naman to malakihan kasi Page of Pentacles. Pero it's like parang he is testing the water. Okay, kung okay pa ba? Pwede pa ba? Okay? So, pwede you're dealing with someone or pwede ikaw po yung ganito na parang tinitest mo yung water ng tao na pwede pa ba? Ganon, parang okay pa ba? Pwede pa ba? May chance pa ba? Okay, pwede pong ganon. Okay, so, there is something na reaching out. Naririnig ko din yung word na reaching out. Okay, after this, no contact, no communication, and hindi makatulog itong taong to, Pisces. Okay, or you need rest, or this person need a rest. Okay, or something na parang ano siya, hindi siya makatulog or palagi kang nasa isip ng taong to. Okay, palagi kang nasa isip, hindi ka niya matanggal sa isipan niya, Pisces, and yun nga, parang itatry niyang i-communicate ka kung pwede pa ba, may chance pa ba, pwedeng ganun, okay? So, obviously, there's a Three of Swords, okay. There's a heartbreak. Nasaktan ka, nasaktan siya. Okay. And naririnig ko talaga yung word na realization. And itatry niyang baka pwede pa. Ayun, parang ganun talaga yung ano natin dito, Pisces. Okay. So, yes, hindi kanya mawala-wala sa isipan niya, Pisces, and pwedeng napapaniginipan mo siya. Okay, kasi it's all about imagination, thinking, okay, or parang, yun nga, realization, nakikita nyo, ito, cloud siya, Pisces. Tapos may mga cups, okay? Nakatingala siya doon. And ito naman is nakahiga, natutulog, okay? So, it's either napapaniginipan ka ng taong to or madalas kanyang nasa isipan niya. Hindi ka mawala-wala sa isip niya, Pisces, okay? Or may naano akong word pero nakalimutan ko. Siguro babalik yun mamaya, Pisces. Pero pareho kayong nasasaktan, okay? And pwedeng nakapag-decide ka na, Pisces, na i-stop mo yung communication ng taong to, and this person parang ayun nga, parang na-realize niya and he will try to you know, parang makiramdam kung pwede pa ba, alam mo yun, may chance pa ba kayo? May chance pa ba siya sa'yo? Parang ganun. Okay? And hindi ka mawala-wala sa isipan niya. Or, ayun na, bumalik na yung word, restless nights. Okay? So, you're keeping this person late up night. Okay? So, hindi siya makatulog or before siya matulog, naiisip ka. Before pagkagising niya, naiisip ka, Pisces. Ganun yung ano dito. And, naano siya na, yun nga, parang i-break niya yung no contact, no communication yung dalawa. He will try to reach out for you, Pisces. So, ano pa po ang message niyo po for Pisces regarding with this person right here? Ano naman ako dito? So, ano pa po ang message niyo po? The Fool, yes, he will try to have a second chance to you, Pisces. Kumbaga, ito kasi is new beginning, okay? Try, taking a risk, okay? Kumbaga, go with the flow. So, you keep this person, yun nga, parang hindi makatulog, or palagi ka talagang nasa isipan niya, palagi, Pisces, or palagi siyang nasa isipan mo, and it's either this person or you will try to reach out, okay? And merong isa sa inyo yung parang nagano ng no contact or no communication, okay? And yun nga, yung isa is will try to reach out na baka pwede pa, okay? And eto yun, the Fool, he will try or you will try na baka pwede pang maulit, baka pwede pang maipagpatuloy, okay? So, ano pa po ang message niyo po? 3 of Wands. It's either itong taong to is merong planong puntahan ka physically para makapag-usap kayo, okay? Or pwedeng itong taong to is meron siyang nakikitang future sa inyong dalawa, okay? Na meron siyang naiisip. Ito kasi mostly parang isip, okay? Mostly thinking itong mga cards natin ngayon kasi nakikita nyo. Meron tayo ditong taong 3 of Wands and nakikita niyo yung focus niya doon na nakatingin sa distance. Okay, so, and also ito, palagi ding nakaganon. Although nakahiga siya pero nakaganon. So, tumatakbo pa rin yung isipan niya. And ito naman is nakikita niyo yan, clouds yan. So, ibig sabihin more on thinking, okay? And King of Swords. Swords is mostly intellectual, decision making, thinking, thoughts, okay? So, yun, there is someone, it's either pareho kayong nag-iisip sa isa't isa sa panahong ganito, okay? And it's either this person or you will try to reach out, Pisces. And baka pwede pa, or pwedeng magbibigay siya na explanation, will try to reach out to you, okay? Or ikaw will try to reach out to this person. And nasaktan kayo, nasaktan siya, nasaktan ka. Okay, ayun. So, meron tayo ditong actually, marami to siya, pero, okay, so, teka, ano to? Ay, pwedeng you're dealing with a Virgo, okay, or Air sign, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, Fire sign, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, and Cups. Andito lahat pala. Andito lahat. Okay, Cups, Water sign, Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio, Earth sign, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. Okay, so this person, it's either you or this person is parang there's something na planning, okay, after or realization na after niyang magmuni-muni, after niyang kumbaga lay low, okay, or ikaw Pisces na after this situation right here, there's a realization, and this person or you will try all his best na alam mo yun na baka pwede pa. Yun yung ita-title ko ngayon Pisces, ano, baka pwede pa, baka meron pang chance. Baka pwede pa nating ipagpatuloy ito. Okay? So, nakikita nyo, itong The Magician dito, together with this The Hermit right here, is kompleto yung table niya, which is merong cup, ito, pentacle, ito, wands, ito yon, and swords, ito yon. Okay? So, lahat nandito. And it's either both of you are in a mixed emotions. Okay? Kasi, alam mo yun, lagay na lang natin to dito. Ayan. So, feel ko itong no contact, no communication yung dalawa. It happens for a reason, and kumbaga nagbigay siya ng advantage for the both of you, pero again, kayo pa rin po yung magdedesisyon Pisces kung tatanggapin niyo pa rin tong taong to or hindi, okay? And meron nag-flip dito 3. Ayan. Actually, 3 silang magaganda yung cards. 3 yung nag-flip, okay? There's a 10 of Cups, 9 of Cups, Knight of Cups, and 11. Pwedeng makikita mo to sa oras na 11:11, okay? Or pwedeng meron kang nakikitang, kumbaga, anong tawag nito? Angel numbers po. Pwedeng 11:11. Pero kung hindi, it's okay lang po, okay? So, meron tayo ditong 10 of Cups. Always kong sinasabi sa inyo, isa to sa mga paborito kong cards together with this 4 of Wands right here. Happy family, happy relationship, okay? So, this is obviously a relationship reading, Pisces, okay? So, it's either you already have a family together with this person, you're already married to this person, or kung hindi naman, sinabi ko kanina, meron siyang, nakikita ka sa future ng taong to, nakikita ka niya together with him, okay, or with her, and hindi siya makatulog, Pisces, or hindi ka makatulog, palagi ka nasa isipan niya, and he will gather the courage, the strength, okay, all the emotions na para i-reach out sa'yo, okay? Kumbaga, feel ko ganito din yung pagmamahal niya sa'yo, Pisces, kasi 9 of Wands na, 9 of Wands, 9 of Cups, nakikita nyo, Cups kasi is all about emotion. So, ito yung nararamdaman niya sa'yo, Pisces, or, pwedeng, ibababa niya yung ego niya, Pisces, or yung pride niya para i-reach out ka, or pwedeng ikaw po yung ganun. And ito yung gusto niya, ito yung gusto mo. Ayan, nakikita nyo, Knight of Cups. Dala niya yung cup dito. Okay, idadala niya towards you. Nakikita nyo, pareho silang nagbibigay, Pisces. Okay? So, itong pagre-reach out na ito, yun nga, parang gusto niyang kung pwede pa, okay, second chance, kung pwede pa maging kayo and maging masaya, or pwedeng there's a big possibility na nakikita ka talaga ng taong to na makasama niya to have a wonderful life, happy family together with him, and there's a big possibility also to have a longer commitment, okay? Long-term commitment leads to marriage, Pisces, kasi para din siyang kasal. Nakikita niyo 2 tao and merong dalang bouquet and para siyang altar. So, it's all about love. It's all about love. Okay? So, etong reading natin ngayon is you're dealing with someone na hindi mo nakakausap or hindi mo kinakausap, or you're in a no contact, no messaging, okay? Pero it's either this person or you will try to reach out. And yun, parang there's a realization, there's something na kung pwede pa, okay? And naano ko din yung naisip ko yung word na begging, okay? So, this person will try his best na ibalik, okay? Kasi nakikita ka niya, ayaw ka niyang mawala and hindi ka talaga nawawala sa isipan niya, Pisces, or hindi mo din siya mawala-wala sa isipan mo, okay? And etong taong 'to is have a wonderful vision sa inyong dalawa for your future, okay? Kasama ka niya sa future niya, Pisces, nakikita ka niya sa future niya with a wonderful, happy family together with him, and merong big possibility to have a relationship to this person again that leads to marriage also, Pisces. Okay? So, kuha tayo ng mga initials, random words kung sino or ano po yung konektado for Pisces sa araw na ito. Okay, so maliit lang yung konti lang. So there's a matangos ang ilong, airplane, chinito-chinita, pet lover, long hair, negosyo, straight hair, and company. So pwedeng nandito, pwede pong wala. Wala tayong ano ngayon, wala tayong name initials. It's okay lang. Okay, so yun po ang ating reading for Pisces sa araw na ito. Naway nagustuhan nyo po. Huwag niyo po sanang kalimutan na mag-like at mag-subscribe po sa ating channel and click the bell button, Pisces, para ma-notify po kayo sa next videos na i-upload natin, okay? So, thank you, Pisces, and God bless!